The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is undoubtedly the most anticipated right now. Rumors and leaks are coming in every other day. The latest rumor talks about its design, which might have some element borrowed from the recent iPhone 15 Pro models. And yes, it's the titanium build we are talking about. It is said that all Galaxy S24 models will come with a titanium frame for a more premium feel. If this happens, it will drop the aluminum chassis it has been adapting for its Galaxy S phones for a while now. This contradicts an earlier rumor, which suggested that only the Galaxy S24 Ultra will go the titanium route and the other models will stick to an aluminum build. It is also likely to stick to the same design as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, except for a few tweaks. This will also be true for the base models too. Samsung is also said to make titanium frames for the base and the Plus S24 models, while the S24 Ultra will get its frame from third parties. The choice of titanium will also lead to a more lightweight body for the Galaxy S24 phones. That said, you should know that the iPhone 15 Pro models don't use a 100% titanium frame, and it remains to be seen how Samsung goes about it. Plus, this could mean a possible price hike for the entire lineup, which isn't exciting. Recently, another tipster leaked CAD renders of the purported Galaxy S24 Ultra. The leaked images suggest that the handset will bear a similar resemblance to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. It is shown to feature a quad rear camera setup and support for Samsung's S Pen. Also, it's been widely reported that Samsung will use both Exynos 2400 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors in the series, but it wasn't clear which versions and markets will get which variants of the phones. Some reports claim that the Galaxy S24 and the S24 Plus will use Exynos chips, while the S24 Ultra will exclusively use the Snapdragon processor. Now, a new report from Thela claims that Samsung will launch both Exynos 2400 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy versions of the S24 and the S24 Plus. The Exynos 2400 versions of those phones will reportedly be launched in Africa, Asia, including South Korea, Europe, and Latin America, while the Snapdragon-equipped versions will be launched in North America, Canada, and the US. The 24 Ultra will reportedly use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor in all the countries worldwide. The report claims the decision about the distribution of these variants of Galaxy S24 series phones is in the final stages, and a change is unlikely to happen. In the past, Exynos chips have usually not performed as well as their Snapdragon counterparts in terms of processing speed or power efficiency, or both. So, what are your thoughts on Samsung's decision to use Exynos again? Will it be a game changer for Samsung next year? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.